realizing our dream to move to France came earlier than anticipated. Come with us and enjoy the trials and tribulations that have occurred. Follow me, Joe Harris, my husband Steve, and our gorgeous fox red Labrador Morse on our journey to integrate into French society. 2 years and 3 months ago, an intrepid couple followed their dream to own a property in France. After searching endlessly, being met with disappointment and disenchantment, a run-down ancient property grasped at their heartstrings. Its Basque rouge shutters, red clay roofs, and picturesque tower left them with no choice but to buy. Renovation was an understatement, and after living in a tent for what seemed like an age, preparing one room at a time, their castle began to come back to life. And now, as a new excitement builds, let's enjoy a preview as Ted and Lisa prepare. This is Chateau de Montmagne. I feel very privileged that Lisa and Ted have asked me to do a vlog about the preparation for their wedding. So as you can see, I'm here at Chateau de Montmagne. It's a beautiful fresh afternoon. We've actually had lots of rain over the past few days, and it's been substantially cooler of late. Apparently it's going to be 29 degrees on Saturday. So I'd wear something cool, everyone, if possible. I've got my hat ready. Poor Ted and Lisa have had so much to do. I'm sure you've seen from their recent vlogs. But it's all coming together nicely. And gosh, from what I've seen and been involved in, it's going to be magical. So this is the barbecue area. With the gorgeous pallet seating that they got from Maximum's. Lisa made all of these pads herself, and they're really comfy. I'm looking forward to sitting around here on Saturday evening, sipping Pimm's. It's going to be good. There's the monument in the background. Gosh, I really love this area. This at the moment is Ted's workshop, so now you know where he is when he's making all his amazing woodwork things. I think this is eventually going to be a brocante, but don't quote me on that. Oh, it looks like Steve and Ted are plotting something. This magnificent structure is the incredible summer kitchen. It's just, it just wasn't here. And this cobbled floor, I mean, wow. I've watched this being built from scratch, and you really have to see it to believe it. Here's Bessie Boo, lying by the gate to the parkland. So to my right are the piggeries where Lisa and Ted will be living after the wedding. Back in the tent, apparently. Come on, Bess. This land just stretches on and on. It's so beautiful. And after the rain that we've had, it smells amazing. Under this tree is a gorgeous, gorgeous old cart. Wow, look at it. That Lisa is going to brush up, decorate, and pull into the yard by the monument. Where evidently they are going to do their speeches from. So cool. Oh, I've got my hair caught in the tree. But just look at this land. Gosh, it's so lovely. And again, the smell of fresh cut grass. Gosh, it's almost intoxicating. So this is the walkway across the field to where the ceremony will be held. As Lisa said, you can see stilettos are not really appropriate. It's not too far, however, and I can just see us all ambling across the land, listening to the birds, Gosh, we've got an incredible one here called the hoopoo, which actually makes that noise. It's very pretty. We'll be chatting to one another in the glorious sunshine, drink in hand. It'll be fabulous, and I can't wait. So when it gets to this bit, it all starts to get exciting. I must admit, although I had a hand in the decoration of the trees, etc., it's making me smile to see it again. I love these flowers over the path. Lisa is going to be walking up through here whilst we all wait for her up ahead. It's so romantic. A proper archway to a magical enchanted wood. So, over the bridge to the stone-lined walkway. I'm so excited. I hadn't seen these red wood chips and heart designs that Jordan has worked so hard on. Gosh, he's done such a great job. Look at this place. So it was the end of a long, long day. Only 2 more to go. We tucked into takeaway burgers and chips, which I think we had all deserved. Everyone was so tired but happy. Even the sky was sending kisses. Ted and Lisa, once again, you have worked your socks off. How you keep your composure, I really don't know. Cheers to us all. I trust you have enjoyed this little snippet. I've not given too much away, I hope. I'll leave you with some beautiful decorations that Tiffany finished off. I think they look perfect. See you soon.